People, today we are going to see the unboxing video of Poco M2. The yellow cover has been given and what it is in it we'll see. Yeah, it's a SIM ejector tool and a letter from Poco. It's user manual and it's the Poco M2 and we are going to unwrap it afterwards. And what's all other in the box? They have given a 10 watts adapter cable, but the phone supports 18 watts fast charging and a USB type C cable. And now coming to Poco M2, it's been a black color model with quad camera setup and flashlight at the back. The SAR value has been given here. You can see it here. And this IPS LCD when we are seeing in the front. And now we are switching on. It's taking a long time to boot up for the first time. And we have purchased at rupees 9,000 at Flipkart offer on Christmas sale. The MIUI 11 OS logo is showing up here, and we are choosing language, and you can see here, and the region is in India. Proceeding further, here I'm just checking up the mandatory terms and conditions. I'm just unchecking the conditions of bloatware and ads of AMI, and I'm switching off the unwanted permissions for Google also, as it is unnecessary. Just trying to read the terms and conditions privacy policy to show you people. Just proceeding to the basic setup. As I already said, I am just switching off. The mobile phone is slowly configuring. Additional settings, I am just switching off the unwanted one. If you want, you can set it up. Just choosing one of the theme here. Setup has been completed. And what are the other keys we'll see here. They have given IR blaster at the top of the mobile phone, and the Type C cable and the USB 3.5 mm jack. Finally take this much time to set it up. And the phone has a 3 card SIM slot. Will showing you here. You can insert up to 2 SIM card which supports dual 4G and memory card which can support up to 256 gigabyte. And we see what are the apps they have given. They have given a lot of unwanted apps like Zulu, etc. You can see it have here. So just uninstalling the unwanted bloatware and all. They in Poco they have promised they will not give any ads, but they will give, and they are giving here. The Google Pay has come pre-installed here. They have promised 2 years of software updates of Android. How much storage they have given, we'll see. It's a 6 GB 64 GB storage variant, which is the cheapest 6 GB variant available in India by December 2020. That's all, friends. That's it for video. Please subscribe to Zero Monk.